Good morning, Legend Springs families, and happy Tuesday. I have to say that yesterday I was super excited to meet your kids, and overall, I felt like they did a really, really good job on Zoom. So I think it's just going to get better and better as the days go on. So I'm just at our dashboard homepage, the homeroom. I'm going to scroll down because we're going to look at the schedule. So we'll be on Zoom from 8:45 and we will be stopping at 10 o'clock. After that 10 o'clock time, that's their break time, a snack time, and then they're independently working on Canvas for reading. Next week, that 9:30 to 10:30 slot will be having small groups, and I will be sending you your child's small group time, hopefully within the next couple days. Then we will be jumping back on at Zoom at 10:40, and we'll probably go till about 11:15. But coming up in the future, we will have mass small groups, which I'll send those out in this upcoming week too. I'm available for office hours from 11:30 to 12. You would just jump in on that Zoom link. Also, any time that we're wrapping up a Zoom meeting for your child, you can always walk over and ask a question. I'm available too. And if you need me at any other time, just send me a quick message on Blooms and we can jump onto Zoom so I can help you out. I don't want you to stress over technology. I'm here as a resource. Let's see. We'll have lunch. After that 12:45 slot, I will not be meeting back with your child this week, just because we're going to start the reading assessment, which is on Thursday. So if you have not signed up for your child to be assessed for reading, I'm going to be sending out that link again as a reminder. And then 2:30 to 3:30 is special, and I just kind of want to clarify this. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, all of those days are on Canvas. So you'll be going to their Canvas course, just like you would be doing for reading or writing, science, or social studies. On Wednesday, you will be using a link to go into Zoom. Your child will do an actual live Zoom like they do with me in the morning time. And I will be putting that live Zoom link right down here, probably by the end of today. So you guys have it for tomorrow. And one other thing I'm going to add, and you guys can give me feedback and let me know if you like this, or maybe it's not even worth it, but the PowerPoints that I'm showing during our Zoom hours, I posted right here. So when you click on it, you guys can refer back to that just in case you miss something or you need the directions on something. That will all be right here. All right, I'm looking forward to a great Tuesday with your child. Reach out to me if you have any questions.